Building Python 2.5 with full Sqlite3 as a user on Linux. This is a bit of a complex problem, at least for me. Here it goes. I'm working as a user on Linux server, and it's safe to assume that installing any package not already installed is simply impossible. Also, I need to set up working Python 2.5, not installed, with working Sqlite3 library, Sqlite in any form not installed. What I can do is 1. Compile Python 2.5 and make it work. 2. Compile amalgamation of Sqlite3. Anyway, Python 2.5 is supposed to have interaction with Sqlite3 built-in, pysqlite. It seems true enough, however importing Sqlite3. Import Sqlite3. Fails because, in the end, it is impossible to import _Sqlite3. Some Googling lead me to understand that while pysqlite may be built-in, the Sqlite is not. Therefore, I assume that I need to built-in locally Sqlite and somehow make these two pieces of software interact. Fair enough. I'm able to, I hope so, compile amalgamation to shared object, but it seems messy. Should I rename sqlite3.so to _Sqlite3 and throw it somewhere? It seems fishy a bit. I tried it anyway and get an error. Dynamic module does not define init function, init _Sqlite3. At this point, I'm a bit stuck. I'm not too familiar with building/compiling stuff. I admit that sudo apt-get/sudo yum made me lazy, but for some reason it is not an option at the moment. Help appreciated.
First download, build and install Sqlite3 with a prefix. Then build Python with same prefix. It will find Sqlite installation and will build _Sqlite3 module.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.